Welcome to Unit 6 Energy in Daily Life. In this video, we'll learn useful words about home chores, healthy living, and natural energy sources. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and imagine the pictures as you learn. Tidy up to make your room or home clean and organized. Sweep. Clean the floor with a broom to remove dust. Mop. Clean the floor using water and a mop. Vacuum. Clean the carpet or floor using a vacuum cleaner. Do the laundry. Wash your clothes in the washing machine. Iron. Make your clothes smooth and neat using an iron. Dust. Clean small bits of dirt from tables or shelves. Take out the trash. Remove garbage from your home and throw it away.
Energetic, feeling active, awake, and full of energy. Exhausted, very tired, with no energy left. Exhausted, very tired, with no energy left. Burn calories. Use up energy when you move or exercise. Fitness. The state of being strong, healthy, and active. Routine. Your daily plan or schedule of activities. Motivation. The reason that helps you keep going and do your best. Improve. Make something better than before. Healthy lifestyle. Living in a way that keeps your body and mind healthy. Balance. Giving the right amount of time to both work and rest. Sunlight. light that comes from the sun and gives warmth and life. Electricity, power we use every day for lights, devices, and machines. Wind power, energy that comes from the wind. Solar energy, power made from sunlight. Recycle, use old materials again to protect the planet. Environment, the air, water, land, and living things around us. Save energy. Use only what you need to help our planet. Turn off. Stop a machine or device from working. Excellent work! You've learned new words about energy, home chores, and healthy living. Use them when you speak or write in English this week. Remember, learning new words adds more energy and confidence to your life.